Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to repair your aero wiper blades. As you can see on these ones, they're leaving streaks across the glass. We're going to repair these rather than replace them. So these units are Bosch aero wiper blades. They're an upgrade to a standard hook fixing. To remove them, you simply pinch here, swing that up, and then slide the wiper down and off like so. Make sure you put the wipers back down on the screen in between removing, because if they ping back down you'll break your windscreen. So I've removed the wiper blades from the car, and I've purchased these wiper rubbers off of eBay. Basically what we've got to do is remove this part from the aero blade, and this applies to pretty much all brands of aero blades. As you can see here, there is a clip on the end of this blade. If you remove this cap, the rubber will slide out and can be replaced by these. These blades, the pair of them, cost me about £26. This rubber is a high quality rubber that I've ordered off of eBay, so not a cheap and nasty one. Cost me £3.50. So the first thing to do is to remove the rubber from it, because it will stop you from compressing the end cap. As you can see, the rubber is pretty much had it on here, so just use a bit of force and pull it, and as you can see the rubber will pop out, and then you'll be able to simply peel it back out of the rest of the fixings like so. Like I said, this is had it, so you can throw this away. Just simply pull the rubber out of the blade. So just to compare the two blades together, you can see they're identical. These just simply pull apart like so to separate from each other. Then place the blades side by side and cut to length using a sharp pair of scissors. So now that we've got the rubber removed, you simply just pinch this together and force it off the end of the wiper blade. So there we go, that's the end cap and that's the end of the blades. Now by comparing this with the old blade, we can see that the channel we're going to be sliding it into is there. And then just slide that all the way along. Then refit the end cap. As you can see, that's the old blade and that's the new blade, and the wiper rubber is now fitted correctly. Just repeat for the other wiper blade. So refittal is the opposite of removal. Simply pass the hook through the blade, then slide it on to the arm and latch it into place. So as you can see, we now have a streak-free wiping surface. So these wiper blades are Bosch ones, however they're all constructed in the same way, so have a go yourself. I hope this helps you. If you have watched this video and it has helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. It'll help me to make more videos like this.